Get ready to tour one of the top 3 best places to visit in 2025. I'm so excited to be sharing this incredible island with you. It's seriously a dream destination, and I know you're going to absolutely love it. Get ready for those iconic whitewashed buildings, those incredible sunsets that paint the sky in a fiery blaze of glory, and of course those crystal clear waters just begging for a dip. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to Oia, the crown jewel of Santorini and a must-visit destination in Greece. This picturesque village is famous for its stunning whitewashed buildings and iconic blue domes. As soon as you arrive, you'll be captivated by its charm and beauty. The whitewashed houses, blue-domed churches, and vibrant bougainvillea flowers create a postcard-perfect scene. Oia is renowned for its breathtaking sunsets, a daily spectacle that draws visitors from around the world. As the sun sets over the Aegean Sea, the village is bathed in a golden glow, creating a magical atmosphere. People gather on rooftops, balconies, and narrow streets to witness this unforgettable moment. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. Beyond its beauty, Oia offers a glimpse into Greek culture and daily life. Wander through its narrow streets, explore charming boutiques, and discover local art galleries. You'll find everything from handmade jewelry and ceramics to paintings and sculptures by local artists. Take a break at one of the many cafes with breathtaking caldera views and soak in the serene atmosphere. For a unique stay, book a night at one of Oia's luxurious cave hotels, carved into the cliffside. These accommodations offer stunning views and a sense of seclusion that's hard to beat. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves and stepping out onto your private balcony to take in the incredible panorama. Don't miss the Byzantine castle ruins, dating back to the 15th century, offering some of the best panoramic views in Oia. It's the perfect spot to catch the sunset, so bring a bottle of wine and some snacks for an unforgettable evening. While Oia can get crowded, especially during peak season, it's worth braving the crowds. Visit early in the morning or later in the evening when the crowds are smaller and the light is just magical. You'll feel like you have the whole village to yourself. Oia captures the heart and soul of Santorini with its stunning beauty and charming atmosphere. With its unforgettable sunsets and unique cultural experiences, Oia is a destination that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye. Now, after the tranquility of Santorini, get ready for Kyoto, the cultural heart of Japan. This is the heart of Japan, where you'll find a mix of everything: bustling streets, traditional shops, ancient temples, and of course, those breathtaking cherry blossoms. Kyoto is home to some of Japan's most iconic landmarks, like the Kiyomizu-dera Temple, the Fushimi Inari Shrine with its thousands of torii gates, and the serene bamboo forest in Arashiyama. But trust me, the views and experiences are worth every step. From almost anywhere in Kyoto, you can explore the Golden Pavilion, visit traditional tea houses, and even catch a glimpse of a geisha in the historic Gion district. It's truly awe-inspiring. One of the best ways to experience Kyoto is simply to get lost in its labyrinthine streets. Wander through the narrow alleyways, lined with shops selling everything from souvenirs and kimonos to local crafts and artwork. You'll find plenty of opportunities to pick up a unique memento of your trip. And when you're ready for a break, duck into one of Kyoto's many cafes or restaurants. Whether you're craving a traditional Japanese meal, a refreshing matcha tea, or just a quick bite to eat, you'll find plenty of options to satisfy your taste buds. Now, if you're looking for the best views in town, head to the main square and take a trip to the top of Kyoto Tower. This iconic tower offers panoramic views of the city, where you can see the blend of modern and traditional architecture. As the sun begins to set, Kyoto transforms into a serene and magical place. The streets come alive with locals and tourists alike, enjoying the cool evening air. The bars and restaurants fill up, and the sound of traditional music spills out into the streets. It's the perfect time to grab a drink, soak up the atmosphere, and enjoy the vibrant nightlife. And if you're looking for a truly unique experience, why not take a rickshaw ride through the historic streets of Kyoto? It's a bit of a bumpy ride, but it's a fun and memorable way to experience Kyoto's traditional mode of transportation. So, there you have it. Kyoto, the cultural heart of Japan. With its stunning views, rich culture, and endless opportunities for exploration, it's a destination that will leave you wanting more. All right, get ready to be amazed because we're heading to Iceland, a land of stunning contrasts and natural wonders. Located in the North Atlantic, Iceland is known for its vibrant capital, Reykjavik, and its iconic Hallgrímskirkja church. Imagine this: geysers erupting, hot springs bubbling, and a landscape that feels like another planet. The volcanic activity here has shaped the land into a geological wonder. It's a place where you can stand in awe of powerful waterfalls like Gullfoss. As you walk along the black sand beaches, you'll feel the unique texture beneath your feet, a testament to Iceland's volcanic origins. The Blue Lagoon is just as inviting as the scenery, offering a relaxing soak in mineral-rich waters. The crystal-clear waters of Silfrafjörður are perfect for snorkeling and diving between tectonic plates. And because the glacier lagoons are sheltered, the water is usually calm and inviting. Now, getting to these natural wonders is an adventure in itself. You can either take a boat tour or hike to get up close to the glaciers. The hike is definitely worth it for the views alone, but make sure you wear comfortable shoes and bring plenty of water, especially during the colder months. Once you're at the Blue Lagoon, you can rent sunbeds and umbrellas or simply find a spot to lay down your towel and soak up the geothermal warmth. There's a small canteen where you can buy drinks and snacks, but it's a good idea to bring your own supplies, just in case. Now, because of its unique beauty, the Blue Lagoon can get crowded, especially during peak season. If you prefer a bit more peace and quiet, try visiting early in the morning or later in the afternoon when the crowds are smaller and the light is just magical. So, there you have it, Iceland, a testament to the raw beauty of nature. With its dramatic landscapes, geothermal wonders, and crystal-clear waters, it's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. If you're already planning a trip, I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.